Bridgerton investment. Like I told you all, this reaction was expected from market. There is still uncertainty about tariff. It's not uncertainty; it's more like a bad news around tariff. Like if I can tariff 10%, if I can open that on EU goods. Yeah. So this is a news like around a 10% tariff has been introduced on European goods by Trump and administrator over a dispute of Greenland. So like I mentioned, any form of bad news, whether it's global or domestic, it is bad for global market, because tariff is bad this quarter and this year half, this half yearly and previous year. We are going to see a lot of news about tariff. Hopefully by next quarter or so, next half yearly, we may get some good news on tariff. The tariff has been cancelled, then we can see market reacting normally. However, this is the most volatile time. Market is very subjected to tariff this week, susceptible to tariff, because there's still uncertainty about tariff. There is no good news about tariff. Before I come to all my trade new investments and trading positions I made, I just want to go through the trading position I made today. I did quite a good today. I shorted Eternal, Cupid, and Hickel. All these are very fundamentally bad companies. Especially during uncertainty, these tend to crash a lot. I am hearing that Cupid is sensitive to bankruptcy also, so it's perfect to be shorting. Be opportunistic here and short the heck out of the stock until it goes to 100, because this doesn't deserve this kind of valuation. This kind of valuation. And coming to my stock portfolio, I'm not sure why Jindal saw this kind of bullish run. It doesn't deserve, it doesn't deserve, because even though revenue was with pure bad profit, it just hyped up because it meted its expectation, and that shouldn't how market react to. That is how market react to this. If it meets the expectation, it rises. I've seen that cases multiple times. Even with the JTL Industries also rose up because of this news. However, I'll jump quickly to the news that I made few new spot portfolio entries. First is Merck and Pharma. I added more to my JS Gruel and Wales position. Merck and Pharma, although I'm now no longer adding, it completely depends on Dr. Reddy Laboratories earning. If that presents very good, I would be adding more to my Merck and Pharma position. However, I'm very sorry, I wanted to say a good news about BLS International. Because BLS International, I bought, I think, 10 or 15 shares additional. Why? Because I will be showing you. Because there is good sentiment around this quarter. It's presenting its earning, I think, on Jan 29. So 10 days from today. So there is like a good news, good sense of a bullish market right now. If I can open that, yeah. The this quarter it has received a lot of contracts from various governments, international bodies, global expansion. And surprising fact is that it does that with minimal debt, or relies fully on its cash flow and profits. So, contract Q3 FY26 contract wins. You know, India visa this center. Slovakia, Cyprus, and even South Africa, I think also Even South Africa also, I think it is. So this contract, it's a lot of global expansion, and with dollar, going to like 90 rupees, one USD equals to 90 rupees. That is very good news from the market, and this is just a subsidiary company. What I'm sure, if I can open that, sorry, this is just a subsidiary company. Uh, uh, Companies, they received global contracts. This was Cyprus one, they received South Africa, Kazakhstan, lot of contracts account. This one, Slovakia, South America, North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Middle East. So I added more to my position. If I can open that in my terminal. This is never unlucky. This is always unlucky for me. Always open it in if I want to see the charts, I would like to open it in terminal. Now my next uh, area of entry, it's like around 292. I'd be buying more before it presents a great earning. If not, I'll continue to hold the stock because this management is fantastic. Balance sheet is very good. Balance sheet is very good. If I open the management efficiency, current long term holdings, if I open the current long term holding position, BLS International. This is his return on equity improvement over the years, return on capital employed return over the years. This is his return on investment capital return over the years. So it's a very good, fantastic, uh, management. Very good, fantastic. This expanding like crazy. It's even going to the point of AI adoption and AI adoption. So that's why I'm holding more to it. If they don't present good earnings, I'll just leave it. I will not exit those two position. I will not trim down my position. I'll keep holding it. Because I trust my analysis. I trust my analysis. So next point of entry would be around 292. Then it may go up a lot. Then it may go up because it is a chance that they may present good earnings. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.